Hey guys, how are you? We are here to make baked chicken with spinach and artichokes. It just sounds yummy.
It does sound yummy.
Yeah.
And we're doing this for our ding dong dinner tonight.
Ding dong dinner.
No.
So bringing this to a family, and we are gonna attempt this delicious and healthy dish. So what did we start here with?
So we started just browning some chicken breasts. I mean, they're huge, so I cut them in half. Calls for 8 pieces. We're doing a little bit more because, well, we want more.
Right.
Right.
We want to be able to try it.
Right.
And so we did that in a little olive oil in the skillet.
With a little bit of
butter and a little bit of olive oil
Yeah.
in the skillet. All right. So now there's a little bit of the remainder of that in there. We're going to add a chopped red onion, a chopped yellow onion, a medium sliced carrot, some minced garlic, and then 1 can of artichoke hearts quartered.
to all this.
Yep, all that goes in.
All at the same time.
All at the same time. So we're gonna just start right now by sauteing that for 5 or so minutes.
Okay.
And then once we get that softened up, we're gonna be then adding our spinach.
Okay, so this is nice and brown. Just kind of start to, I mean, you can keep doing what you're doing.
Are you on?
I'm on.
Okay, good.
I'm on. Okay, so this
Yeah.
is just kind of softened up a little
Yeah.
bit, right? I mean, it looks
It looks,
delicious.
I could just eat
I
that.
know. Okay, so we're adding another.
Another clove of garlic.
Okay.
And then we're gonna add about 6 to 8 ounces of spinach, but I say 8 because I like lots of spinach. And it
Sure.
cooks down so much.
It does.
So,
Actually, I won't do this. Cook a little. It always looks like a lot, but
Yeah.
man, once this stuff cooks down, it's
oh,
like,
it's hardly anything. So we're only gonna cook that for about a minute, it says, but really till it cooks down. And then we're gonna be adding our broth and our chicken and putting it in the oven. And it's pretty simple.
it's really easy.
One skillet dish. I love that. You'll only have to clean 1 pot today. Isn't that great?
It's fantastic.
Perfect.
All right, and then add a little bit more.
Yep.
Make it more manageable here.
I know, it seems overwhelming when you're not used to cooking with spinach, but gosh, it cooks down almost to nothing. I'm amazed. Like, I think I could eat that whole bag,
I know.
you know?
Why spinach? Why should we be adding spinach to our shakes, to our meals?
Well, you always hear how important our leafy greens are. I mean, they give us calcium, they give us fiber. They are just chock full of all of the great cancer prevention phytonutrition. So the more of it you can get in your diet, the better. There is really no limit. And so, like she said, when we make our shakes, just stuff in as much as you can. I mean, you can't even really taste it.
Can't really taste it.
I try to add a handful of spinach to almost any vegetables that I'm sauteing because it just cooks down almost to nothing. So, yeah, you want to get lots of leafy greens.
Okay.
All right, so now we're going to
I
add.
mean, look at that. That doesn't even look like that.
I know. So all we're going to do now, and we can turn this off.
Okay.
We're going to add a 1/2 cup of our vegetable broth, and we're going to add our chicken back in, and then it just goes in the oven at 425. We'll just put the skillet right in the oven, and that's why we use an oven-safe skillet when you're doing this. It doesn't have to be cast iron, but that's just what we have. And we're going to put it in there for about 18 minutes to finish cooking off the chicken, really.
Do we cover it or anything? And can I put this juice in?
Yes, put the juice
Okay.
in.
So just curious.
No covering.
I don't know if there's a lot gonna fit.
Yeah.
I can get another little skillet if you want to do that for us.
So yeah, we're just gonna put that back in the oven for 18 or so minutes, and all those juices and flavors are gonna meld together, and baby, we got a healthy meal.
Look at that.
Very excited. So yeah,
Okay, you wanna open the oven
yeah,
for me?
absolutely.
Oh,
Bubbling goodness.
gee, look at that.
Bubbling goodness. Oh my gosh, that looks crazy amazing.
That looks so good.
Okay, this is heavy. I'm gonna set it down.
So actually, we're just going to serve this over rice.
Yep.
Correct?
There we have it.
Chicken, spinach, artichoke.
Healthy, yummy, delicious goodness. I can't wait for dinner.
Okay. All right. Well, I can't wait to drop it off.
I know.
Okay. So everybody, we will post the recipe below. Stay tuned for our ding dong dinner when we drop this off at an unsuspecting neighbor's house.
Can't wait. Surprise, surprise.